Tiny Tots Learning Hub.
It's a letter. Make a guess. D. The letter D sounds like this.
D. D. Drum. Drum. D. Drum. D. D.
Dog. Dog.
D.
Dog.
D. D.
Duck. Duck.
D.
Duck.
D. D.
Doll. Doll.
D.
Doll.
D. D.
Dress. Dress.
D.
Dress.
D.
Deer. Deer.
D.
Deer.
D.
Doll. Doll.
D.
Doll.
D.
Dolphin. Dolphin.
D.
Dolphin.
D.
Donkey. Donkey.
D.
Donkey.
D.
Dinosaur. Dinosaur.
D.
Dinosaur. Make a guess. It's a letter. E. The letter E sounds like this.
E. E. Egg. Egg. E. Egg. E.
Elephant. Elephant.
E.
Elephant.
E.
Elbow. Elbow.
E.
Elbow.
E.
Eye. Eye.
E.
Eye.
E.
Elf. Elf.
E.
Elf.
E.
Envelope. Envelope.
E.
Envelope.
E.
Eggplant. Eggplant.
E.
Eggplant.
E.
Exercise. Exercise.
E.
Exercise.
E.
Elevator. Elevator.
E.
Elevator.
E.
Exit. Exit.
E.
Exit.